Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. I think you guys are really going to love it. Okay, so I've been wanting to do a dollar store DIY for the longest time. I love watching those videos. I think it's so fun seeing how creative people are using dollar store items. So I decided today's video would be the day to do a dollar store DIY. I was looking through Pinterest and Anthropology and Urban Outfitters to find some inspiration, and I saw a lot of like boho, raffia, wall decor, and I loved it. I thought it was so cute, so that's kind of what I'm basing this off of. So I grabbed a wreath form from the dollar store, and I also found 2 packs of raffia from the dollar store, so that's gonna be like the basis of this project. And I actually just watched a video from Lone Fox where he also gets this exact same wreath form, and he makes this really amazing mirror out of macrame cord that he frays. It's so beautiful, but the way he puts the cord onto this wreath form is going to be the same way that I use the raffia. So the method of putting it on, that comes from his video. So if you don't follow him on YouTube and you love DIY stuff, go follow him. He is so amazing. Everything that he makes is just unbelievable. So beautiful. So yeah, I got the idea of how to attach the raffia from his video. And then as I was making this raffia wreath, I realized that you could take that as a base, but then you could actually do multiple things with it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute raffia base, but then I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can create a DIY out of it. Okay, so here is the wreath form that I picked up, and I grabbed 2 packs of this raffia, and that was the perfect amount to make this wreath. And then I also grabbed this material. It's kind of like the material you put under rugs, but you can find it at Joann's, just a fabric store, and it's super, super cheap. So I'm going to use this for 2 of my DIYs. So I'm just tracing out a circle, and you want to cut it a little bit longer than the circle that you trace so you can glue it. And then I'm just cutting my raffia pieces. I measured mine out to be about 12 inches long, and honestly you just cut like hundreds of these out, and this is how you attach it. I actually attached it on 2 of these little circles, so I'm starting with the second one in, and you just kind of attach it on there, and you do that all the way around. Kind of takes a little time, so start a movie and just make your little wreath as you watch. And then I'm going to do the inner circle as well. Okay, how crazy is that transformation? It looks so good. So the first DIY idea is just to make this into a mirror. So you can find a mirror at like Joann's and just glue that down, and I think that would be so cute. The second idea is to put some E6000 glue on the back side and glue down that kind of meshy material that we cut out, and we're going to make a jewelry holder. So you can just glue that down, and then once it's dry, you can just hang all your cute little earrings on there, or really anything that you like. I also put like some of Hallie's little bobby pins on there and some of her bows, but I just think this is such a cute way to display your jewelry, or like little girl hair bows. It looks so cute. Okay, and then the third DIY idea uses this same little mesh material, so we're gonna keep that in there. I found this cute lion. So that's my inspo, because the raffia kind of looks like a lion's mane. And so I just found some yarn in the colors that I like, and I'm just using my glue and really just gluing the yarn down in like the lion pattern. I think this will be perfect for like a little kid's room. I think this is so cute and so fun. Okay, so that is it for this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I am so obsessed with how these turned out and can't believe that you can make this for like less than $5. If you guys make any of these, please tag me on Instagram. It makes my day when somebody tags me that they made a DIY off of one of my videos. It's the coolest thing. So please recreate this, tag me in it so I can see it. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to join my little family here. And I will see you guys next time with a new video. Thanks, bye!